Hi guys, this is Pratap here, and today we'll discuss about some free certification and learning portal in 2020. Why certification is required, guys? Because if you go for the interview, or if you want to see, you want to check yourself that you are really learning great, or you are having quality education in EU, so then you have to go for the certification. You have to learn from the masters who are really, a giant in the world. Suppose Stanford University is the like one of the top university in the world, so you will be learning from them. Harvard University. So then this is another one, like lynda.com. So lynda.com is connected to LinkedIn, but it's absolutely not free, but certain amount you have to pay there. And then edx exactly, it's free. And the if you want to learn from Microsoft, so Microsoft guys itself will be recording the video for you, or maybe some university people who are really master on that. Now some products like Fortinet. So Fortinet having some certification like your NSE 1 and NSE 2. These are the certification are free. Now Palo Alto also, one of the certification are free, which will be more than enough to deal with the Palo Alto products like Panorama, PanOS, etc. And White Hat hacking, which exactly more powerful than any other hacking, so which is free. You go online and you can register. Okay, so now we will discuss about that certification. So why certification is important? Because your knowledge is your power, your certification is the proof. So if you go for interview, so you have to prove that you have some certification. All right. So now if you see in the market, some trending courses are there, and the certification you need to go for. So some certificate, I mean, trending modules are there. What are the modules? You just have patience and go through clearly, and then you will understand more in details. So if you see in that in network industry, so network you having routing switching. So routing switch or routing switching, and then you will be having security. Then you having wireless. You have data center. So you will be having a data center. Then you will be having network automation. All right. And then these are the major. So then monitoring, and then you will be having storage, then you will be having virtualization. So these are the network domain you have. Now inside that plenty of vendors are there. So these are the network domain, and who are the popular vendor? So vendors are like your you have Cisco, you have Juniper, you have Checkpoint, you have Palo Alto, you have Extreme, you have Array, you have A10. A10 exactly the load balancer. I can here add here load balancer. There is another module, great module. And then you will be having F5. Then you can have other modules like these are the special in the network, right? Then Fortinet, then MikroTik, then VMware. So these are the vendor. So these are the certification and these are the vendor. Then you can select like which course that each levels, each and every vendor they having level, right? So which are level you have? So suppose you have entry level, then you will be having professional level, and you will be having expert level. Alright, so this is in network. So network level will be having, I mean entry level will be having professional and expert level. So this all in your network. Now once you'll be coming to the server. So in a server, that Microsoft is the boss. Now Microsoft also having a plenty of uh, certification. Okay, these are the Microsoft and Linux, they are the most. So they have Microsoft having a cloud products, Microsoft having your like in cloud also they're having private, then public, and then hybrid. Then they having Azure and all those, they also having virtualization. In virtualization Microsoft having Hyper-V. Okay, now server management, they're also having a plenty of certification. So now this is Microsoft. Now once you'll be coming to the Linux, so Linux having a plenty of vendors like Red Hat, then Ubuntu, Knopex, Genome, and then your SUSE, or some people also say SUSE. So these are the plenty of Linux are there. So the Red Hat is the best one, okay, and they having some certification, let's say RHCE, RHCSA. So these are the certifications are absolutely mean high end. It's a very high end courses. Okay. Now latest other technologies are there like your container technology. Container technology like what? Your Docker, Kubernetes, okay, Docker, Kubernetes, like Safe, then Puppet, then Ansible. Okay, Ansible basically automation, but you can integrate with that container and all those. So this is a very high end module. Okay, so then you will be coming like other module. Suppose you will be coming machine learning. Okay, then you will be having artificial intelligence, AI. Then you will be going for, let's say, your data science. Okay, so data science, these are the modules, is the very high end module. And to be master on this, so you have to know very well about this. These are the modules. Okay, so what are the programming? You have to be very great. You have to be very good at Python version 3. You have to be very good at Java. You have to be very good at XML. You have to be very good at Ruby, then Perl. Okay, so then you will be able to understand very nicely. Also, they're having another language, NPL. neural processing language. That is actually main thing. So the vendor, the website, the module I'm going to show you up, you can go there and you can learn it free, for free, absolutely free. You don't need to pay a penny for that. So just have a look here. Okay, so once we'll be going here, now you can check it. Let me do the full screen. So this is your Stanford University. You will be going online, then Stanford Edu. You can find it that courses here. Can you see here? Clean renewable energy storage, everything. So it's absolutely free. You can see here course, and which is free. It's available. Now you can select what exactly you want to learn. So you see artificial intelligence, you want to learn data science, you want to learn engineering, and which one you want to select, you can select. Okay, so and you can go for learning. Now another university is the Harvard University. So Harvard University, you see, absolutely free. Can you check it here? This is the free course. Can you imagine, once you learning from Harvard University, Stanford University, do you think that any you'll check that your level, which level you are going to be, all right? And another one is your EDX. It's absolutely free. uh, you can see that account. Now you can see that these are the modules so far, probably 2018. I just went through this all to check. You can see here in 2018, 19, since 2013 I guess I'm using it. So it's not bad actually, it's good. And then after finishing it, you can go for the global exams and all this. So this is the free module, which is exactly free, and which will give you that very high-end knowledge. Your knowledge is power actually. you know with the help of that, you can move around the world, you can go anywhere, you can give interview, you can get selected, you can make your career. Alright guys, so I will recommend, please you go through this all university, learn from the master, learn from the horse's mouth. Okay, these are the people who are actually leading the world. So these are the people who are holding that industry. So you have to be very very specific when you are learning, and you have to be very very broad knowledge you have to have. So that will be really going to help you out. Also some of the tricks I can share with you. Suppose okay, so these are the some of the module that I would like to discuss, which is very high end. uh, okay, maybe some other video will do it, but I want to show you the tricks first. Suppose you will be going to find, like suppose you want to say that how I will be finding that modules. Okay, let me take you to Google. Let's say your google.com. Now you want to search very smart. Okay, let's say you want PDF which is related to data science. So how will be finding? File type, and then you put it this, and then colon, and then start this bracket. Put there data science, then PPT. You want PPT, so you put it, give enter. Can you see here? Everything you are getting which is related to data science. And you see how many result you have got? 9,000 result you have got, and all are PPT. Okay, so if you open, it will be PPT. Can you see here? It's a PPT. Alright, can you see that? It's a PPT. Now if you put here PDF, it will be coming PDF. Now you might be thinking, if I don't put this, if I put normal data science, what it will come? So if you go here and put there, now you see what is the result. You can see 30 million result you have got. Now this is the distraction, guys. These are the distraction. So when you will be opening, it's not possible like you will be click all of that 30 million website and you will be opening. And it doesn't mean that it's coming number one ranking, it doesn't mean that you will be having good content here. So they are doing SEO. Okay, they are paying for it to make the rank. So please don't go like that. So I have shown you the way you will be doing that way, and you will be finding it the best and quality content, so which will be saving your time and money, because otherwise continuously keep clicking, and then some advertisement will be coming, and then you will be going, and this is a full distraction. All right, so it'll make sense. That is not going to make sense. So what you'll be doing, let's say data science you'll be doing artificial intelligence. So you make a process, you make a pattern, like this is the way you will be learning. So first you'll be learning about the technology, then you'll be understanding the design, then you'll be learning how to integrate. All right guys, so you just implement, you just go through. I hope it's going to help you out. Okay guys, thank you.